Hello guys, it's me Ayana
And Akis, today we are
playing Pet Simulator 9. Yes, so we got Dino.
Yes, they
Dino
are
pets.
really cool.
Yeah,
This is Lucky and Yana no account.
yes.
Because you are not having too much so bye.
Bruh.
That's great.
Look what I said. Give me money. So tomorrow is our third day of school. So we can't play a lot. We need to go to school. If we don't go, we get grades bad. And I don't want to happen that. Wait guys, I'm gonna update her. So Aki will be saying I have a call. So wait guys, I'm gonna
that guy is not. Guy is not lucky. If you don't, he is copy guy. Don't say I'm bad. Don't say it because he is a fake. This is the real Lucky. This is me because I am Aki Pro because I made this Aki Pro because I like it. This is Lucky. Bruh. This is Lucky. So don't. What I'm saying, trust. lot of money. Don't tell that. Sorry guys.
So I'm back, guys. Guys, guess what our grade? You can add me. Yeah. Well, I only have 11 friends, so you can add me as you want, but subscribe and but if you can go. If you guys guess our age, our grade, we're gonna add you too. Yeah. Yes. Minecraft game. What? Oh my god, that is so laggy, dude. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. So I'm gonna you always said that, bro. What a Sigma. Guys, shout out to my friend Lian. My
And shout out to Kio because
yes, that's well, it basically that's my tita. Guys, by the way, comment down below what is your favorite pet in Pet Simulator X. I live yeah. If you want us to do a part 3 of this, you know what to do. Oh, all monkey to king, all monkey. And like and share. No, turn on the notification so you can see what is our new video. Yeah, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm mute. Yeah.
Yung pagsasabi ko sa'yo.
Dude, I just said don't Tagalog.
Yeah, don't Tagalog because I don't know.
Kasi bulol ka.
Ganun ako. Mag-Tagalog
Mag-English ay perfect.
sa akin.
Yeah. Cause we are
English Nero.
yes.
USA guys.
Cause we have
Teleport me.
we have like we have American what is that? What do you call to
USA.
it's my grandma's husband, I think.
Bro, teleport me or I will. Or
Oh my
you-
god. Sorry guys. Don't God. Oh. Don't never mind that cause it's just, you know,